Welcome back to the Black Cowboy Show, folks. We out here pulling out a tranny, you know. Most people pay a lot to get it done, but if you're me, you're gonna get down here and do what you know best. And that's get her done. We don't got time for people. Alright. I did it all by myself, but I brought my bro out today to help me out.
This how we doing it?
Just to help me jack this bad boy down. Alright, bro. Let's go ahead and get her on down. Alright. Tranny's down. Now we gotta move all these tubes and pull it off this jack. Matter of fact, you yank that jack back. Oh well. Come yank that jack back, bro. Yank her on back. There you go. There's a Mercedes transmission for your ass. Just put it in 30 days ago. And now I done went out. What a bitch. Alright, bro, we're gonna take this transmission and shimmy it on over that way. Show you how we're gonna do this here. Turn it on around. Turn it on around and get down there. Oh yeah, I got the wrong shoes on today. Get up under here and shimmy it on under there. That's how we get that transmission up out of here. Alright, folks. Took me about a day and a half to pull that out. But it's done. Damn, that wind be blowing out here, man. I tell you what, it ain't easy. So that right there is a transmission for a Dodge Charger, 3.5 liter, and it's a Mercedes transmission. Wow. All right, guys, I'll get back with you on the Black Cowboy Show. We got work to do. Well, I got work to do. See you later.